The Sunshine Berry, a celebration of elderberry. A vibrant voyage through nature's pharmacy. Imagine a tiny, dark purple berry, packed with a punch of flavor and a treasure trove of health benefits. This is the elderberry, a delightful fruit that has been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties. Let's embark on a joyful journey to discover the wonders of this sunshine berry. A burst of flavor and health. Elderberries, with their sweet tart taste, add a burst of flavor to jams, jellies, syrups, and wines. But beyond their culinary delights, they offer a myriad of health benefits. These vibrant berries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making them a powerhouse for overall well-being. A natural immune booster. One of the most celebrated benefits of elderberry is its ability to bolster the immune system. Studies have shown that elderberry can help reduce the duration and severity of cold and flu symptoms. Its antiviral properties help combat infections, making it a natural ally during the cold and flu season. A radiant complexion. Elderberry's antioxidant properties work wonders for the skin. The antioxidants help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, promoting a youthful and radiant complexion. Regular consumption of elderberry can help reduce inflammation, soothe skin irritations, and improve overall skin health. A heart-healthy treat. The heart-healthy benefits of elderberry are another reason to incorporate it into your diet. The antioxidants in elderberry help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, elderberry can help regulate blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular health. A mood-boosting berry. Elderberry has been linked to improved mood and mental well-being. The antioxidants in elderberry help reduce oxidative stress, which can contribute to feelings of anxiety and depression. By protecting the brain from damage, elderberry can help promote a positive outlook and a sense of calm. A digestive delight. Elderberry is a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. The fiber helps regulate bowel movements and prevents constipation. Additionally, elderberry can help soothe digestive issues like bloating and gas. A versatile superfood. Elderberry can be enjoyed in various forms, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can consume it as fresh berries, dried berries, juice, syrup, or supplements. Whether you prefer a spoonful of elderberry syrup in your tea or a handful of dried berries as a snack, there are countless ways to reap the benefits of this incredible fruit. A word of caution. While elderberry is generally safe for most people, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before consuming it, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have underlying health conditions. Additionally, it's crucial to purchase elderberry products from reputable sources to ensure their quality and purity. A vibrant future. As we delve deeper into the world of natural remedies, elderberry emerges as a shining star. Its ability to boost immunity, improve skin health, support heart health, uplift mood, aid digestion, and enhance overall well-being makes it a truly remarkable superfood. Let's embrace the sunshine berry and savor its vibrant flavors and bountiful health benefits. Thank you.